His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa addressed the Politburo yesterday on the 390th session of the Politburo on the 25th of February 2026. Salabana mashoko in detail obdashinyo gopangwa inwe mashoko akatagwa nemtugamiro nyika aiwa Mozan PF Politburo. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipida mnamobda nyuwa mchinzi. His Excellency Mnangagwa remarks. Tribute was paid to Brigadier Generals Mark Charles Chimwaza, Matthias Tizera Ngarava, and Samuel Mpabanga, who were declared national heroes for their role in the liberation struggle and national development. The Politburo was urged to lead with clear, time-bound programs to drive party growth and national development. The National Cell/Village Day was highlighted as the foundation of the party's strength, reinforcing grassroots organization and authentic membership structures. The successful National Youth Day commemorations in Marondera was celebrated as a demonstration of commitment to youth empowerment, skills development, and creating opportunities for young people. Emphasis was placed on fiscal discipline, prudent monetary management, and productivity growth, with progress noted in macroeconomic stabilization and socio-economic development. Zimbabwe is intensifying its campaign for a non-permanent UN Security Council seat for 2027 to 2028. The country will host the COMESA Summit in 2026, assuming chairmanship of the regional economic bloc. The year 2026 is a pivotal opportunity for accelerated socio-economic transformation toward Vision 2030, requiring collective leadership, patriotism, loyalty, and unity. Leaders were urged to demonstrate exemplary conduct, remain close to the people, and strengthen unity at all levels to achieve national goals. Tomba developments are in Zimbabwe. Na comment section medu za fungura moto kidi kwa msawi vijitiko ishu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.